I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy and the best cornbread dressing you've ever had. You want 6 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix. And then you're going to add 6 eggs and 2 cups of milk. You're going to mix it, and then you're going to pour all of that batter into a cookie sheet like this. Place into a 400-degree oven, preheated oven. Okay, we baked the cornbread for 20 minutes. Okay, next you need some Jimmy Dean chicken broth, evaporated milk, celery, onion, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Dice all your vegetables. Brown your sausage and add your veggies and saute them until they're soft, 1 or 2 minutes.
No. It's not real silver, right? I don't know. Or is it? It might be. I don't know. I found this. I found this next